I teach puppetry. And puppetry, for me, I modestly believe puppetry is the crossroads of virtually every creative human endeavor. And what's nice about my classes is that my students come in from every possible direction, and they meet in the middle in puppetry. And what is exciting for me is having them share ideas together that they have never considered before. And I love watching the sparks fly and the flames start to burn as the students create new ideas.
Students will learn the skills to help become contributing citizens in the world. We're doing it Jersey strong. Performance poetry workshop where you show up and we show out. I'm proud to be a witness. I used to be one of these kids once.
You don't know me, but you will. No, I am nothing but a mere imitation. You would think that I am as happy as the toys in Andy's room, but I am really as hollow as a shallow girl's confidence. I like to be called the weeping willow, because I weep alone, and would someday wish to be a willow. These things you would not know, I would not show, but if you ask, no, I would not tell.
Yes, that was beautiful.
The kids just have so much raw talent, and they're so eager. It's different teaching adults. I think adults are more reluctant to hear criticism and advice. Children are just very open, and they do want to get better. They see people that have accomplished things, and they want to be like them, so I like to be a positive influence for them.